everyone, it's Nancy here and welcome to my channel. You might be wondering why I am in my PJs for this video, and that's because I'm going to be doing a get ready with me chit chat style video. So I'm so excited that you guys are here, and grab a cup of coffee or your favorite tea and let's hang out. So I'm so excited to do this get ready with me chit chat style video. I haven't done anything like this, and so I thought you and I can just hang out today. So usually I don't get ready like right here because I'm in the bathroom, but it's really hard to film in there, so here I am filming it right here. So hopefully you guys enjoy and we could just hang out and get to know each other, and let's keep this super casual, super real, and let's just do it. Okay, so I'm wearing the super cute PJ set that my cousin got me for her wedding. Actually, when she was getting married, I was a bridesmaid in her wedding, and so she gifted us these super cute PJs. So here I am wearing it still, and it's so comfy. So first I gotta put my hair back there because it's long, it's crazy. So this is the usual look. I'm super simple, no fuss type of a person, and even though I like to get glammed up here and there, but like on a normal day-to-day basis, I have like my usual routine. Also, random side note, if you hear like footsteps walking around, it's both of my dogs. They're like running around underneath the camera, and so random note. But yeah, I've just been carrying all my makeup in this, which is super impressive because I had to condense my makeup down a lot, and I actually got this when I went to Japan with my husband back in April, and I needed something just to stick all my makeup in here, and so it has 3 sections. Picked this up at Target, super handy. The top I have like my makeup brushes, and then I sorted out with like eye stuff and then face stuff, and I literally have just been carrying this around, which is awesome. And I also did my cousin's makeup for her wedding. I'm super nervous about doing it because I am not a professional makeup artist. I only know what I learned from YouTube and just like practicing on myself, but I'm so happy her makeup turned out well because wow, the pressure of doing bridal makeup is huge. So that's where I've been storing all my makeup. But yeah, that's what we did this past weekend, and it was so much fun celebrating her wedding, and we are all just resting up. I think we partied a little too hard. It's so exciting. I love weddings. I don't know if there's like any like real right or wrong way to do these style videos. I've never done this before, but first I'm starting off with my Summer Fridays jet lag mask for underneath my eyes as an eye cream because I have dry eyes right now and they need some help. So I'm just gonna use this as a mirror. But yeah, I've been really liking this. I talked about it multiple times in like a favorites video, and it's just so hydrating. So I kind of use it for everything. And I like that it does plump up your eyeballs. I always say eyeballs when we're really not referring to your eyeballs whatsoever. And I probably do this a lot faster when I'm just like in the zone doing it and not talking, but I thought this would be fun to do today and just catch up with you guys. And so now that we have that, I'm gonna put on my moisturizer. This is by Ole Henriksen. This is their Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. And I talked about this in my October favorites video, and I'm still loving it. And it smells so good. It smells like citrus, and so really gets your skin really nice and hydrated and plump for makeup and just to start the day off. If I don't want to wear makeup, I just wear this alone, and it makes me feel really awake. So just put that all over. And after I finish putting on my moisturizer and stuff, I just kind of let it sit before I apply makeup just so it can really soak into the skin. But guys, how is it November? I mean, we're a few days into November when you see this, but the year's going by so fast. I'm so excited for the holidays and just spending quality time with friends and family. Are you guys excited too? Because Christmas, all the Christmas decor is out and about at the mall, at Target, and I'm so excited when I see it. And the Starbucks red cups, I wish I had one to show you guys, but I love all the designs they have this year. Oh my gosh, so cute. And my favorite drink out of the whole holiday line is a peppermint mocha, or if you want to change it up, you could get a peppermint white mocha, and those are super good. Let me know if you're also a peppermint mocha fan because it's just so good. So for foundation, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation, and this is in the color 205. And I love using my Laura Mercier foundation, but I've just been saving that one for like special occasions, and it can get really pricey to use it every single day. And so I found out that this works really well on my skin in its drugstore, so I'm super excited about it. And it gives you that like really nice hydrated glow because I have crazy dry skin. So I'm just gonna dab this all over my face. I'm just gonna blend it out with a sponge. This is from Real Techniques. But yeah, I can't believe how quickly time is going by. If you follow me on my other videos where I shared that I quit my 9-to-5 job 2 months ago, I just want to give you guys an update on how things have been going with like being an entrepreneur and like working for myself and trying to figure it out. It's been fun so far, but it is really, really difficult, and I knew that going into it. Like, nothing happens overnight. You have to be really patient with yourself, patient with everything, and also being your own cheerleader throughout all this stuff. It's really hard because you can get validation from other people, but sometimes like that's not the best way to go. You need to have like some self-motivation, and it's just so easy to feel discouraged when you feel like you're not being proactive or you're not being you know, just productive. So that is something I've definitely learned. Just so you need to keep your own self going and just motivate yourself. And even when results don't come right away, you really have to stick to it and believe that everything is happening for a reason and that you can do it. And that has been one of the hardest things to get over and to figure out, because it's really, really difficult. Also, I am like blending like crazy. I'm just patting it in. Just make sure it's not streaky. Just a nice even layer. Next, I go in with some concealer. This is Tarte's Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral, and I just kind of do a little dab, triangle action underneath the eyes, nose, a little bit of forehead, chin, and then sides. But yeah, I think I talked to some of you guys on Instagram and also on YouTube that you guys are doing your own thing too, or you want to pursue your own thing. I think that is so awesome that we have the internet and just other resources to use to like kind of create what we want and our own career path. I think that is so cool. If you guys are also going the freelance route, I would love to hear from you. Leave a comment down below, or we can connect over Instagram, because it can get really lonely, like what I was saying, and it's so nice to have other people to chat with who understand what you're going through, or just like supporting that idea that you are pursuing your own thing, because it's really not the norm. And I feel like when you're in it, like when you're in the YouTube space or you're blogging or doing stuff like that, you feel like that is your whole world. But really, in like the big picture of things, not a lot of people understand what we do. And so you just kind of have to take a step back and feel like you're not being overly consumed by it and that you're doing a great job. I really like to set my makeup with this Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I picked this up at Walmart, and I think you get it on Amazon and also on CVS. So it works similarly like the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder, so it's just some setting powder, and I use it with this angled Real Techniques brush. I'm just gonna swirl it and tap off excess, and then I just kind of place it underneath my eye, even over, because I have really oily eyelids and my eyeliner would transfer all the time if I don't do this. So here we are. And then set the forehead, T-zone. Kind of like to set my chin here. So for eyes, I'm using the Tartelette in Blue palette. I absolutely love this. I picked it up at Ulta, and it's just been my go-to palette. I used to use the Naked palette all the time, and then I discovered this one, and it just has my heart. I'm just gonna go in with the shade Smarty Pants and Flower Child. I'm just gonna mix those two, just run it through my crease. Then I like taking like a pencil brush and then lining the lower lash line. And I'm using the shade Sweetheart and Rebel. They're like a darker brown shade, just to really emphasize the eyeballs. For the inner corner, I like using the shade Funny Girl, and it's a really pretty sparkly shade, so you could like really brighten up your eyes and look awake. So I'm just rimming it in the inner corners and making that V shape. I feel like this really helps brighten my eyes. Okay, everybody, here's the hard part, liner. I don't think I could do eyeliner, especially liquid liner, while I'm talking, so here we go. And I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. All right, let's see how we can do this. Oh my god, totally not skilled. All right, I probably have to go off frame for this. Okay, I'm gonna go right here. All right, guys, we're back with eyeliner. That was a toughie. And then I'm just gonna go and tight line the top. And now I'm just gonna go line my lower lash line with this brown eyeliner from NARS. Now we're gonna curl our eyelashes and do some mascara. Even though I have tiny baby eyelashes, it's still important just to curl them even a little bit. I swear, I have like super stick straight lashes, so hopefully this helps. Moving on to mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Alright, let's untwist this. Help my baby lashes. Alright, now that the eyes are done, I'm moving on to my favorite part, is the face makeup. So I feel like most alive when I have my whole face on, and I'm gonna go in with a bronzer. This is by Too Faced, and this is their Chocolate Soleil. And again, another Real Techniques fluffy brush. Just gonna do that. Cover up some cheekbones if I can. Just bronze up a little bit. And I do this relatively quick, and I love this. It smells just like chocolate. And it smells so good. So then I'll take a little fluffy brush and I'll dust off the setting powder that I had earlier. So like underneath my eyes. And then it'll catch any fallout. I'll just do that. And it usually sets my makeup pretty well, and it's really affordable. It's like $6, less than $6 for this huge tub of setting powder. Love it. It lasts more than a year. It's crazy. So the product I absolutely love that makes me feel like most alive when I use it is this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Dim Light. And so I just take a little bit, and then I just pop it on the top of my cheekbones and do like that C-shape thing. And it makes me feel super alive because it kind of smooths out everything and gives you a really nice glow without looking like cakey or anything. It's crazy. Just gonna dust that all over, and you can put on a lot and it'll still look okay, so you can get a little bit crazy with it. Next I have some blush, and this is my trusty NARS blush in the shade Madly, and like the packaging is all like messed up right here, but it's okay, I still love it. I'm using an angle blush brush, and I love blush. It makes me feel, again, alive, and I just pop it on my cheekbones where the blush normally goes. But yeah, I'm so happy to be making YouTube videos again, and I'm so happy you guys are liking the videos and watching and commenting. It means so much to me, and it just makes me so happy, and I can't say thank you enough. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, I'm so happy that you guys are here taking the time to watch and just hang out, and I absolutely love it. So if you have any requests for videos, leave it in the comments. I'm more than happy to make it, and I'm just so excited just to be like back on my channel. So things are going well, and I'm just so excited for everything, especially because December Vlogmas is coming. I think I'm gonna do Vlogmas this year and vlog every single day leading up to Christmas. So I'm putting that out there, and you guys can hold me accountable for it because I've attempted in past years and I don't know how people do it. Major props, because it is so hard. But this year, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do Vlogmas. Then I'm gonna end my makeup with some highlighter, of course, and this is by Becca, and this is in the shade Opal. I take a little brush like this, and I love adding it to my cheekbones a little bit more for the glow. Blend it up top, and then down my nose a little bit, the tip of my nose, and then a little bit on my cupid's bow. Yeah, nothing like highlight. I feel like it's blown up over the years. It's crazy. There's so many options now, and I've stopped buying like a lot of makeup. I used to collect them like crazy, and I never did anything with it. I was just obsessed with collecting, and so that was like early YouTube days. But now I just have like my core staples. So to finish this off, I'm going to use my new favorite lipstick, and this is by Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in the shade Very Victoria. And I was inspired by Meghan Markle because I was just looking up on her makeup, and it always looked so effortless, and what lip color she was always wearing. And people were saying that she was wearing this shade, the Very Victoria shade by Charlotte Tilbury. So I finally saw it in store at Sephora because apparently it's been sold out, and the obsession is real, guys. I absolutely love this shade. It's like a Your Lips but better shade. So yep, love it. It might look the same on camera, but so this is what it looks like. It's totally like, it looks exactly kind of like my lip color, but there's something about just using lipstick. It just kind of tidies up the line. It just really completes the look. So I love this for a go-to everyday color. And then lastly, we have to set our makeup. Trusty MAC Fix Plus, saving the day always. Just gonna shake it up and give it a good mist. Oh, I love this stuff. It's always so good. I don't even know if this does anything. This is just part of the routine. Just gotta fan yourself off. Make sure it's covering your face evenly. Then gotta take off the clip, and here we are. Face is done. It's just super easy. I feel very fresh. It's nothing too crazy with the eyes. A little bit of eyeliner goes a long way, and it's really just the face. It makes me feel very glowy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, this get ready with me chit chat style video. Never done one of these before, so hopefully if you want to see more, you can let me know, or any feedback. But I just had so much fun chatting with you guys. I want to catch up with you and just tell you everything that's been happening and just random thoughts. So I hope I did okay for my first get ready with me chit chat style video. I thought it'd be fun to do. So if you have any feedback, leave it in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I post a new video every single week, so if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you do. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day. Bye guys. So you thought this video was over? I thought so too, but then I realized I forgot to do my eyebrows. And I'm just gonna give these babies a quick little comb with, you know, some tinted brow action, and we're gonna call it a day. Because I know some of you might be like, wait, what about those brows? Let's give them a good brush. Alrighty.